You know that feeling, don't you? Monday arrives with fresh energy and possibilities. Tuesday carries you forward with momentum. But Wednesday hits like a wall. You wake up and something just feels off. The motivation that carried you through this first half of the week suddenly vanishes. Tasks feel heavier. Your mind feels foggy. You start questioning everything you were excited about just 48 hours ago. Here's what I need you to know. You're not broken. You're not lazy. And you're definitely not alone. What you're experiencing is what I call the Wednesday trap. And it affects 7 out of 10 people. But nobody talks about it. In the next 8 minutes, we're going to understand exactly why this happens to you every week. And I'm going to give you a simple method to transform Wednesday from your most challenging day into your most powerful one. Let's start with what's really happening in your brain and body by Wednesday. First, your motivation naturally drops by about 40% by midweek. This isn't a character flaw, it's biology. Your nervous system is designed in weekly cycles, and Wednesday sits right in the valley of that cycle. Second, you're carrying invisible stress. Monday's excitement and Tuesday's productivity create a hidden accumulation of mental and emotional residue. By Wednesday, you're operating with a backpack full of unprocessed thoughts, unfinished mental loops, and subconscious pressure. Third, your brain shifts into what I call survival mode instead of growth mode. By Wednesday, your mind starts protecting you from overextension. It whispers things like, slow down, this is too much, or maybe next week. It's trying to help, but it's actually keeping you stuck. And finally, you're fighting your natural energy cycle instead of working with it. Most people try to push through Wednesday with the same energy they had on Monday. But Wednesday isn't broken Monday. It's a completely different day that requires a completely different approach. Here's the thing, your Wednesday feeling isn't a problem to solve. It's information to use. So how do we fix it? With what I call the Wednesday reset method. It's built on one core principle. Instead of fighting your Wednesday energy, we're going to redirect it. Step 1 is the mental clear. Right now, I want you to take 3 deep breaths with me. Good. Now acknowledge everything that's been weighing on your mind since Monday. Don't try to solve it, just acknowledge it. Say internally, I see you, I feel you. I'm choosing to set you down for a moment. Now step 2 is the energy assessment. Place one hand on your chest and one on your stomach. Ask yourself, where am I feeling stuck right now? Is it in my body, my emotions, my thoughts, my actions? Don't judge the answer, just notice it. Your Wednesday stuck feeling always has a location. Step 3, the redirect question. Here's the question that changes everything. If I could only focus on one thing for the rest of this week, what would create the most momentum in my life right now? Not the most urgent thing, not the thing you think you should do, the thing that would actually move you forward. Now we activate the momentum with the Wednesday power move. Whatever came up in your redirect question, that one thing, you're going to take one small action towards it right now. Not a perfect action, not a complete action, just one small step. If it's calling someone, dial the number. If it's writing something, write one sentence. If it's organizing something, clear one small space. If it's planning something, open a calendar. The magic isn't in the size of the action, it's the timing. Wednesday is actually the perfect day for momentum because your expectations are lower, your pressure is less, and your breakthrough feels better. Here's what most people don't realize. Wednesday's stuck feeling is actually concentrated potential energy. It's all the momentum from Monday and Tuesday that got tangled up. We're not creating new energy, we're untangling the energy that's already there. Take that action now. Pause this video if you need to, I'll wait. How does that feel? Different, right? That's Wednesday working for you instead of against you. The truth is, Wednesday was never your problem. Wednesday is your opportunity. It's the day when you can pause, reassess, and consciously choose how the rest of your week unfolds. Every Wednesday, you have a choice. Fight the feeling and struggle through, or work with it and redirect your energy towards what truly matters. Your Wednesday reset method is simple. Clear your mind, assess your energy, ask the redirect question, and take one small action. That's it. 4 steps that transform your most challenging day into your secret weapon. Tomorrow is Thursday, your momentum day. Friday becomes your completion day. And next Monday you'll start with the confidence of someone who knows how to work with their natural rhythms instead of against them. Wednesday isn't the day your week falls apart. It's the day your week comes together. If this helped you see Wednesday differently, let me know in the comments. And if you know someone who needs to hear this, share it with them. Because nobody should have to struggle through Wednesday alone. This is Jay, and I'll see you next time.